Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today's date is October 8th, 2024, and we're going to be taking a deep dive into Intel Corporation, INTC, stock. Intel has been making headlines recently with mixed news regarding potential acquisitions, government contracts, and overall market performance. On the one hand, Intel secured a $3 billion deal from the U.S. Department of Defense as part of the CHIPS Act's Secure Enclave program, which aims to bolster domestic microelectronics production. This deal followed a preliminary agreement in March for an $8.5 billion funding package to support Intel's expansion of manufacturing facilities in Arizona, Ohio, Oregon, and New Mexico. However, these positive developments come amidst concerns about Intel's competitiveness in the chip market, particularly in the burgeoning AI sector. Goldman Sachs analyst Toshiya Hari has a sell rating on Intel stock, citing concerns about their ability to compete with rivals like NVIDIA and AMD, and their recent performance, including missed earnings and a dividend suspension. Adding to the uncertainty, Qualcomm has reportedly approached Intel with a potential acquisition offer, although the deal is far from certain. The news has sparked speculation about a possible bidding war for Intel, but the CEO, Pat Gelsinger, is likely hesitant to sell at the current low price. This mix of positive and negative news paints a complex picture for Intel, so let's turn our attention to the charts to gain further insights. Let's start with the daily chart of Intel, looking at the broader trend over time. As you can see, Intel has been on a downward trajectory since the start of 2023. However, there have been periods of consolidation and even some bullish rallies, suggesting that the decline may not be a straight downward trend. One key trend we can identify is the breakout above the $35 level in early June. This breakout marked a significant shift from the previous downtrend and led to a rally to near the $40 level. But unfortunately, this rally was short-lived, and the price quickly reversed and fell back below the $35 level. This suggests that the $35 level is a significant resistance level, and Intel may struggle to break back above it in the near term. Looking at the recent range of candles, we see a consolidation pattern between $22 and $25, with the price currently trading near the lower end of this range. This range suggests that the stock is in a state of flux, and we need to look at the shorter timeframes to get a better idea of the immediate direction. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see if we can identify any more specific trends. The 1-hour chart reveals a bit more volatility than the daily chart. We can see that Intel has been forming lower highs and lower lows for the past few weeks, suggesting a bearish trend. However, the past couple of trading days have seen a slight uptick in price, creating a potential reversal pattern. If this uptrend continues, we could see the price rise towards the $25 level, which could act as resistance. On the other hand, if the bearish trend continues, we could see the price fall back towards the $20 level, which could act as support. It's important to note that the recent news about Qualcomm's potential acquisition could be influencing the price action on the 1-hour chart. The news has provided a short-term boost to the price, but its impact on the longer-term outlook remains uncertain. The market is clearly indecisive right now, and the price action is reflecting this uncertainty. Let's shift our attention to the 15-minute chart for a more granular view. The 15-minute chart shows the most detail and allows us to see the intraday price swings. In recent trading, we see a series of smaller candles, suggesting that the price is oscillating around a specific range. This range seems to be between $22.25 and $22.50, with the price bouncing back and forth between these levels. This price action could be a sign of indecision in the market, with neither buyers nor sellers gaining a clear advantage. This indecision is further amplified by the ongoing news about the potential Qualcomm acquisition. If the deal were to fall through, we could see a bearish reaction, and the price could fall below the $22.25 level. Conversely, if the deal is finalized, we could see a significant bullish rally, and the price could break above the $22.50 level. However, it's important to note that this is just speculation, and the market could react in a different way. To get a better sense of the current price action, let's focus on the 15-minute chart for the last 3 hours. This time frame allows us to see how the price has reacted to the news in real time. Over the past few hours, we can see that the price has been fluctuating between $22.30 and $22.50, indicating a state of indecision. The price has tested both the support and resistance levels within this range, without any clear breakout in either direction. This indecision suggests that the market is awaiting further developments before making a decisive move. The current price is hovering near the middle of this range, indicating a potential breakout either way. If the price were to break above the $22.50 level, it would signal a bullish trend, and the price could rise further. However, if the price were to break below the $22.30 level, it would indicate a bearish trend, and the price could fall further. The news regarding the Qualcomm acquisition is still the dominant factor influencing price action, and the market's reaction to the latest developments will be crucial. To summarize, Intel's stock is facing a mixed landscape with both bullish and bearish signals. On the daily chart, the $35 level appears to be a key resistance level, while the $25 level could act as a short-term resistance level on the 1-hour chart. The $20 level on the 1-hour chart could act as a support level, while the $22.25 level on the 15-minute chart could act as a short-term support level. The news about the potential Qualcomm acquisition is creating a lot of uncertainty in the market, and the price action is likely to be influenced by this news in the short term. If the acquisition goes through, we could see a significant bullish rally, but if it falls through, we could see a bearish reaction. In addition to the news, it's crucial to monitor the key price levels and watch for any breakout patterns on the shorter timeframes. Look for a break above the $22.50 level on the 15-minute chart for a bullish signal, or a break below the $22.25 level for a bearish signal. Remember, trading is a high-risk activity, and you should always conduct thorough research and manage your risk effectively.